Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my May monthly. I don't foresee this being like a very long video. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out why I'm not enjoying making videos, because I've been enjoying making short form videos like for reels and stuff, and I've been making some of those. I've kind of been slacking on that too. But there's just been something about YouTube videos that I just haven't been enjoying as much. And I don't know if, I just totally messed that up, but that's okay. I don't know if that's because, I've been doing it for so long or what. Oh, by the way, this is the pretty pink kit, and I'm using it for the May kit. You can get it for any month. It's just a drop down, or you can even have it where it's just plain. I did just recently do a reformat of all my kits, including the monthly, so they have a new font. This is the old version, and this is from here on out, this is what they will look like. This is the July one, and I think it's really pretty, and they're all new icons. And that goes for the big kits too. So they've been completely redone. This is my 4th of July kit, obviously. But yeah, I have a whole video on my Instagram about those, so if you want to go check them out, or just go to the website and check them out. And if you sign up for the newsletter, it's 15% off. You get a 15% off code. Anyways, like I was saying, it's just been, what do you call it? I don't know. It's just been different and not as, let's see, I know the 7th was here, I have a calendar right here. So the 1st was a Saturday. So we'll just do that. I have a feeling this is not going to be enough things. Anyways, like I've been trying to say. So I don't know. Let me know. I know I said I was going to do some challenge videos, and I am going to do some of those. So that might help. But what other videos could I do that you think would be like interesting, that you would want to watch? Let me know in the comments, because I just need new ideas. Plan with me's are fun. I love playing with stickers. I love designing them still. But filming myself putting them down has been kind of boring. And maybe it's just because I have nothing to talk about, because this last year, other than moving, well, I guess a lot of stuff did happen. But with the pandemic, it's not like I was working or out with friends or anything like that. I mean, none of us were. So I don't know, maybe now that things are picking up and I'm going places and I have things to talk about, it'll be more interesting. But right now, not so much. That's why there was no video last week. Just my birthday vlog was the last one I put up, I think, right? Yeah. So I don't even know if that was last week or the week before. But I had like these grand plans today to film a bunch of videos, and I may still get some done tomorrow. But I only got 2 videos done before I was like, oh, I just want to relax, because I have the house to myself. My dad, who I live with, is at a motorcycle rally, and so he's doing that, and he's gone for the whole weekend, and it's just been nice to have the house to myself. And the last few times he's left, like to do something like this, I've like gotten so much done, and this time I was just like, I just want to relax. So I think it also stems from, oh crap. This is why I can't talk and plan. I think it, like I was trying to say, I think it also stems from the fact that I'm really tired, and I think this shows it. I knew I should have done the sidebar first. oh well. At least the little ones tend to be easy to peel up. So, like I was saying, leave your comments down below of maybe some video ideas. They don't have to necessarily be like a planner. They could be stationary, or maybe what would you like? Organizing tips. I am going to do a full office tour like when I get it set up completely. I did do like a mini one on Instagram on IGTV, so if you want to check that out, you can go there to the Butterfly Planner. And I do a lot of behind the scenes stuff there. I do like basically day in the lives on my stories and stuff like that. So I think that for me lately has just been easier than trying to, like, I don't even have to really edit my reels. Like, I do edit them, and but it's not like the same as a YouTube video. It doesn't take the same amount of time, so I don't know. Yeah, this is not all going to fit on here. But so I know some of you do not follow me on Instagram, so I thought I'd tell you the big news is I got a job. It's just a part-time job. It's nothing like, it's not in teaching, which in parts of the way is bummers and sometimes not. This is just something to help me pay the bills and get caught up and clear my head, because being stuck in the house all day is not good for me. This winter, I've never had to deal with an actual winter before, and this last winter really did me in. It really messed with me mentally, so I need to get out and meet people, and I think this will help me. So, yeah. I did my background check and of course passed it. Like, why wouldn't I have? But I did that, and I'm just waiting for them to call me back, and so I can go to orientation and that kind of stuff. So I don't know when I'll be starting, and yeah, that was another reason why I kind of wanted to get like videos done for like a month worth of videos. And like I said, I may get a really good night's sleep tonight and wake up and feel completely different. You know, it could just be I'm so tired. But what do you call it? I'm just gonna, for the 2 days that are overlapping, because there's not enough here, I am going to just pretend like there's a line here and put these in the corner. And I'll probably go get a ruler later and put one in. Put a little line across to divide them. Okay. Let's do our sidebar. I'm going to put the book of the month, which I can't remember what the book of the month this month is. I think it was one I'm not actually going to read. If you didn't know, I'm in a book club. Yeah, this month was one that I'm not going to read. Next month, though, is going to be cool. We're doing books that, what do you call it? Like classic books. So I think that's going to be fun. And I'm excited for that one. I don't mind the white space. I just don't like these lines, so... And if you're wondering what planner this is the Sweet Quai Design and Cricut Paper Co. one. This is the colorful one. And I like it. I don't love that the month is split off from the week. It's undated, so you can kind of use it wherever, but maybe that's what Maybe that's what I'll do, is a video on like an update of my 2 planners. Would you like to see something like that? About my Planting Roses planner and then my other one, or this one? Let me know. Okay, let's put, not that one. I always grab the one that matches the headers first, and I'm like, no, Melissa, that's not how we want to work it. We want a different color so that it's contrasting. Okay, where can we put, the 18th. We'll put something there. That'll contrast nicely. And then we'll do a big pink one on the 7th. Did we have anything the 7th? Yes, I had stuff. That was Friday. Today's the 8th. I had stuff. I can't put something there. I mean, I could, but maybe we'll just put it here. I think that's what I'll do. There we go. And then this last one I'll put on the 28th. So I do have a few things going on this month. I might, yeah. So I'm gonna put down, I had new releases on Thursday the 6th. So I'm gonna use this butterfly, and then I have another one. I thought I had more than one butterfly on here. I guess I don't. So I'm gonna use this heart, but the 6th is new releases. I'm going to do that one instead because it was too close to the other. And then the 20th. So those will be that. And then I think for this, I'm going to put that one here. And on the 1st, I started a step challenge with my sister, my dad, and 2 of my sister's friends. So I'm actually... I'll use this dark pink one as, no, because it's not really a reminder, is it? It's kind of like a health thing, or I don't have to put anything. It's got that, right? I'm just gonna leave it. The 31st, I am driving down to Dallas to see my best friend. Her son has orientation at Dallas Baptist University, so there's that. I'm gonna have, that's gonna be wrong. That's gonna have to get moved because I'm gonna put that line in there, huh? Ooh, maybe I should go do that now. Okay, I found myself a ruler, and I'm gonna use a pencil because the lines are like a light gray, and I don't want to use black because I feel like it'll make it look weird. So, and if I mess up, I can erase it. So... Oh, also, I put up a poll in, once again, my Instagram, and I wanted to ask you guys. I don't really budget just because the way that I'm more of like a tracker than a budgeter because of the way that my income is very inconsistent right now. It's hard to budget, but I've been thinking about, there we go, making budget stickers. I've seen quite a few people be making them, and I just love them and think they're adorable. So yeah, I was thinking of doing that. So again, let me know in the comments. I know, so much stuff. If you're still watching, I love you. Thank you so much. Let's see, birthdays. I think hers is the 12th. I'm so bad with birthdays and remembering to put them on my calendar. Oh, I know what I want to put on here. Dun 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 dun. These aren't in the shop right now. They used to be, and a little bigger. But coming very soon to the shop. Race Car to Grow is back because I'm sick of putting Formula One races in my calendar without it being ultra cute. Okay, I know there's one this weekend. There was one last weekend. I think they have the 16th off, and I'm pretty sure there's one the 23rd. I cannot remember if there's one the 30th. That one might be off too. So I think that's everything. I'm not going to do birthdays because, like I said, I don't want people to feel like I forgot them. Or if I get people's birthdays wrong, because there's like several people's birthdays this month, and I'm just so bad. I'm so bad with birthdays. I need a perpetual calendar. I should make myself a perpetual calendar. Maybe I'll make that a video. Okay, anyways, I have rambled so much more than I thought I was going to. I honestly thought this was going to be a video where I just had it to music. So yeah, like I said earlier, if you are still watching, I love you so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, all those things, comment. All those things help my video and help me out and help other people see it, which helps me out. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.